us the way the fuck out.
Somewhere close by is a
thought. Alphonse.
Hello there!
I cannot find them alone. I need you. I need you to guide my
LMG.
Please.
The guy that got him on the other side of that van.
Oh, you took it off.
Yeah, I took off both of them.
Well, this sucks.
Unity, precision, perfection.
All right, we're back again. Conflicts 2019, Blast Camp Round 2. Here we go.
Round 2. Fight.
I get him. I think I got him. He put his hand up. I saw that. Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, I got him. Nice shooting, Tex. There's some more of them in that tree line right to the left. What the fuck is that? Why did they come out to the road and sit down? Maybe because it's muddy back here, I don't know.
Trying to reach that guy out there.
Alright. Better put that thing away, man. It's dangerous.
That's my fucking squad's getting fucking lunch. We've been in here since the start of the fucking game. We ran out of ammo. I'm almost out.
I got another box mag.
I have over a fucking 1,000 rounds on me, dude. I got fucking 10 mid-caps.
I have 15,000 rounds on me.
Hey, I have my normal one. I have fucking 400 rounds.
LMG, they can reach those two guys standing out in the open right there. Reach those two guys right there.
Oh,
I shot him the ball! Not quite. Oh, he can. He can reach him. Oh, that one hurt. His children felt it.
We had a skilled sport.
I'd like it if we could push up to the woods, but no one's willing to do that.
I think those woods right at the top are clear, but...
Well, there's guys back behind there. I keep lighting up that wood line and hitting people.
Yeah, I don't know the rental guys. I got my guy in there. I paid $100 in the rental for him. Parker! Well. Friendly tank coming back.
I'm already out, bro.
Woo.
Shit.
Did that hit the building? Pushing into the middle! Street!
Nope.
Don't fucking hide behind those guys!
Nope.
They're gonna get lit!
Nope. Nope. Nope.
left, watch your left.
Sniper in the brush, left side of the road.
Watch your left up the
Yeah. Pushing right! Shit, I need to reload.
Good?
There we go.
I got your bottle, don't worry about it.
Nope.
How am I not fucking hitting you? Come on, man. Call your fucking hits. Yeah.
Nope.
Are we dead or what?
Nope.
Well, you guys standing there like he's pissed off. Woo!
That was close.
Well, I got a bunch of them, but I don't know what's going on.
All I'm saying is bring me back a beer.
I mean, they shot a rocket, but I think it hit the building.
Killed like 15 people.
Okay.
They're in that X right there.
Nope.
That tank must have went the fuck out.
There's a guy on the other. It's a guy, you got him on the other side of that van. Oh shit. It's moving.
Tank down.
Has it got a flag up? No, the flag's not up, man. It's still up.
There's a bunch of the 3-light bunker. The shorty one.
Jesus Christ, BBs are coming in. Yeah. We got a medic in here? We got a medic in here.
They're right outside this wall, aren't they? Sniper, they're right outside this wall?
I like it.
Yeah.
We have a medic in here.
Get up!
What's that?
Did you just come up here?
No, I did not come up here.
Yeah, I just came up here. Okay.
Are we dead on this floor?
Everyone on top floor when the rocket hit, because it landed right there. It's like literally right outside here.
You're already dead, everybody. You're dead already. This whole place, everything you see is gone.
Head over towards the compound. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the left.
Cover to cover! Cover to cover! Brandon, just run through compound.
Oh, it's right there. We're on that way. Watch left side! Bring me wounded! Bring me wounded! Hey! Where's that gun? Go! Everyone's like, you have like 6 knife tags. Bring me wounded! Somebody get back there!
No, there you are.
Wow, what the heck?
Right there! Fuck, red smoke. Stay that way, Red. Oh, okay. Alright.
Guns down, mags out! Guns down, mags out! Guns down, mags out. Guns down, mags out. Guns out! Mags out! Throw covers up! Put your gun on the ground! Blind man! Hey, throw your gun on the ground! Get your gun up still! Put it down! Blind man! I got a guy right there!
Jesus.
So yeah, after that brief incident, they cleared the field off, everyone went back to their spawn points, and we restarted the breakout again. And after a shirt change on my behalf, because it's hot and sweaty, back at it again.
How are we looking out here? Bowman! Back here, bud! Yeah, there's nobody up in that tree line. Well, my teammate's right there on that building.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you over there. I want you to be at that tree line. The rest of us are gonna put you into the woods. Okay? There you go. Hey, you can take Alright, come on, let's go. We need to move up. Hey guys, we're gonna move up.
Well, there's nobody over there. There's somebody right here. I don't know, but I need to reload, so. Alright. Yeah, we'll get there. Did not take that bottle of water out of there. Okay. It's me shooting over your head, boss. Shit, there's a guy behind our dead man right there.
Back there, yeah, I see him.
No, the guy right here with his hand up, with the booty cap on. There's a guy right behind him. Well, then there's a guy literally right behind the barricade.
Oh, really?
That he's sitting at, yes. He's literally right behind that barricade. I don't know if he's dead or not. I don't.
Fucking run up behind him.
Let me get upstairs. God damn it.
Hey, by the barrel!
Hey, did you guys get that dude behind the barricade? Right there? No, okay, you got him. All right. Got him. Okay, yeah, that guy. Oh, I like this breeze. Oh, that breeze feels good. That's why I like being up here.
What do you run?
Okay, you're looking where I was. You're looking where I was looking.
I have 2 of them with me. I got, I think I got a triple and then I think I got a double.
Oh man, dude, you got good range on that? I got a guy right out in the open, right here where I'm looking. Just get up right on where I was sitting here. See him? Right there. He's just wide open, man. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Alright guys, we're going to end the video right here. Shortly thereafter, apparently the SD cards on my guns, cameras both ran out. But I just want to give a shout out once again to Blast Camp. Thanks Cobra Airsoft Legion, man, it was a fantastic event. Wonderful day. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.
Not game over! I'm not saying shit. All right.
You gotta make sure silicone spray that shit. Yeah? Silicone spray.